Disposable subway transportation cards can be purchased at the subway transportation card vending machine, next to the subway ticket gate. After selecting your destination or fare amount, you can insert the fare and deposit 500 won, and take the one-time transportation card. Payment cannot be made by credit card, but only cash bills or coins. Let's buy a disposable subway transportation card together. In Korea, since 2004, an integrated public transportation fare system has been implemented that provides discounts in proportion to the distance if you transfer within 30 minutes of getting off the subway or bus. Starting July 1, 2023, the basic fare will be waived if you get off the subway and reboard within 10 minutes at the same station. If you accidentally miss your destination while using the subway, or have emergency needs such as the restroom, you do not need to pay an additional fee if you reboard within 10 minutes excluding some routes. And starting March 2023, most buses will no longer accept cash for fares. Most buses only accept prepaid or postpaid transit cards. Therefore, when traveling in Korea, using a prepaid transportation card rather than a disposable transportation card can save on transportation costs, except for some areas. It is recommended to purchase a prepaid transportation card in advance at a convenience store in Incheon Airport and recharge it before using it. You can recharge your transportation card at a convenience store or at a transportation card charging machine next to the subway ticket gate. I will produce and upload a detailed video about Korea's public transportation transfer discount system later to get easy and useful information about South Korea. Hip Korea. Please subscribe, press like and alarm, and leave comments.